Implementing the all-universal set. In order to simplify my code, I would like to implement a set that contains everything, i.e. a universal set. I figure that the simplest way of getting around this is to have a custom set that returns true for any query. In my particular case, I am mostly interested in the intersect of sets such that the following criteria are true. I have subclass set in the following manner. This works for 1, but 2 still fails. Is there a similarly easy way to make 2 to work?
You also need to define the reversed version of the AND operator, _rand_, so your subclass's methods get called when it is the second argument as well as the first.
Finalmente você é novo. Graças a mexer